Today I show you a thing I found in the IKEA special offer zone, IKEA special offer zone. IKEA or IKEA, I'm not sure how it's pronounced. I say IKEA, but it's probably IKEA SMAHAGEL USB Optim. Okay, use the SMAHAGEL USB charger. And I paid for this €4. It's 33.22% discount, and the regular price is $5.99. So it's not really much of a big difference, but they were in the offer zone and I like to go there and see what they have. This is from the As Is offer zone. There is no packaging really, it's just this and the charger itself. So usually you will find this in a nice box, and these are either used or the package was damaged or it was a demo unit. So it could be many reasons why they sell them a little bit cheaper. I believe they should sell them more cheap. Like this one from $5.99, they could sell it as €2.50 or €3, but yeah, 50% discount should be a regular price. Usually I see 30, 35 maximum. Some things, I got something at 50% discount because it was looking worse than other ones, but this is the label from the As Is order, so this is some information, identification about that. And yeah, it's written here As Is, put a stamp on it and some unique identifier so they know in case you take it back. I'm not sure if you can return this, but I think you can. I already see there is some kind of a scratch on this, so that's interesting, but I don't see use marks on, like it was plugged in. Some scratches here, but I don't know. Let's see. I want to see this from close, and here there was some kind of label. Maybe it was a demo unit. I don't know. Hopefully it wasn't dropped too many times. I'm trying to get a better view of the inside here of the USB port, and seems okay. Everything seems okay in there. No damage, no anything. And on this, there is a bit of a scratch here, so it's probably it was plugged in maybe a few times. And this is usually you will find some kind of scratches on these things. And these are the power points, the sockets. Some kind of a scratch there, and also there was, yeah, there is this scratch. That's interesting. There is a scratch here all the way from, it took material from here all the way to there, or I'm not sure what's happening here. It looks like it's it could be coming off, or maybe the whole material, the paint is coming off. No, it's gone. There was just some kind of glue, or I don't know what was that. Okay, I have to clean the desk. And yeah, a bit like a glue residue. And there is some kind of, this is the manufacturer date, I believe. This is some information here, power supply, this is the model number. Input 100 to 240 volts. 50 to 60 Hertz, so it's pretty much universal this thing. Maximum half an amp, 0.5 amps, and the output is 5 volts, and the maximum is 3.4 amps, that's 17 watts, and also you have maximum 2.4 amps, 12 watts per USB outlet. So that's the maximum charging speed you get with this 12 watts maximum per port, per USB port. So it's not very fast, but it's not sold as a fast charger. The thing that is good about this is that it has 3 USB ports, so you can have multiple devices plugged in and use like a battery charger for the camera. I always have it plugged in, and when I plug it in, it will start using it. Even if I have multiple devices plugged in, it's nice to be able to have these things already plugged in and they will be used whenever it's needed. So yeah, this is kind of some kind of a scratch from the material here, but it came off pretty easily. So it's from the material here, I can see the scratch. I want to see if this thing actually works. I have a PowerPoint here. I also have this USB cable, and this is USB-A to USB-C. Hopefully, yeah, it's USB-C to USB-A to USB-C, or USB-C to USB-A. I can plug this into all of the ports, any of the ports. So now this is plugged in, and you see, I guess you can understand now what I mean. You can have 3 cables here plugged in, ready to charge at any time. The cable is plugged in into the charger, and I'll plug in my iPhone and see what happens. It should work. I'm sure IKEA wouldn't sell something that doesn't work, but it's always good to try to make sure that it does actually work. Okay, so if I go into the settings for battery, it might say that it's charging slowly, and yeah, I'll try to charge it to 100% just to make this iPhone actually try to charge the battery with this charger. And so far it doesn't say charging slowly. That's pretty good. Yeah, it says 1 hour 29 minutes to 100%, and I can try all the ports. I want to make sure that all the ports work. So this port also works, and the third port also works. Yeah, I'll try all 3 ports eventually and see how it goes, but so far this thing is working as I would expect it, and all seems to be working fine. No slow charging on the iPhone. And like this, if you have many cables, many USB cables, you can charge multiple devices at the same time. Even if the speed is slower with this charger than a fast charger, you have 3 USB ports. So that's the reason. Thanks for watching.